Que ya nos poníamos ya no podemos salir. Yeah, what the fuck, Mario? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not talking really loud because my parents are right next to me. My mom's outside and then my dad's like right next door to me, so I don't want them to hear because I'm gonna be pranking them and I don't want them to hear that I'm gonna be pranking them. But let me just go ahead and explain what I'm gonna be doing. The whole coronavirus situation is going on right now, and I know it's nothing to be making pranks of or like jokes about, and it's something serious, but my family's been hella tense. I just want to prank them a little bit and just like get a little bit of humor in the house. And I'm obviously gonna tell them it's a prank. I don't want them to worry and think it's actually real, but don't take this offensive or anything. I'm not trying to offend anybody who is actually precautious about the situation. I'm just doing it for the fun of my family, like just to like get a little bit of humor up in this house because it's been like really serious. And like, yeah, we can still go on with our lives and stuff. We don't have to be scared about what's going on. Yeah, just take precautions and all that. But the main reason I'm just doing this is just for like the sense of humor of my family. So don't get offended if anybody thinks it's not funny or like this is something I shouldn't be messing with. I know it's something I shouldn't be messing with, but I'm still gonna do it. So what I'm going to be doing right now is that I already have the video of the fake coronavirus, like Amber Alert or like a warning, fucking Chrome, whatever it is. I already have it already. I'm just gonna install my Chromecast, plug it into the TV, like just like show the video playing on the TV, and it looks hella real. So my parents are gonna think it's actually like an emergency thing. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen, and I'm just gonna get the reactions and see how they react. So please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment, and subscribe because I'm probably gonna get my ass whooped after this. You know, Mexican parents, you don't fuck with them. Hurry up! Hurry up! Good job. All right, guys, we're finally here.
Oh my god, oh my god. What are you wearing?
Gucci.
No, do it so they're all together in the what's that?
This is not a test. This is your biohazard warning system. Due to the new COVID-19 virus, the following measures come into effect. We are announcing the start of the immediately effective nationwide quarantine, which has been officially approved.
Ma, dice que ya nos ponieron en cuarentena, que ya nos ponieron en cuarentena.
Even for medical or professional errands, will be a criminal offense punished with state-forced quarantine and, depending on the severity of the quarantine violation, death. Visits to relatives, neighbors, or friends will be illegal during this time. No one has been granted immunity from the quarantine. No citizen or group will be exempt.
So good. So good and tasty.
Emergency services will be suspended until further notice and cannot be reached. Every household will receive a monthly data volume of 400 megabytes in order to keep the network running. There is currently no time limit for these measures. We hope for yourself and your family to be prepared for the worst. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.
Que ya nos poníamos ya no podemos salir. the fuck, my God?
They don't even care.
I know they don't. Oh, my parents don't even care. They don't even care, they're eating. Hey guys, so I'm back, and I honestly thought my parents were gonna react otherwise, and the reaction was lame. I feel like I was the one like overreacting, but I was pretending because I wanted them to get scared or something, and they didn't care. As you saw in the video, they were just eating and they didn't care. So now I know how my parents would react in case of an emergency. Anyways, just make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, comment any video idea suggestions, and please subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And I'll see you in my next video.
She was from the outside.